when you feel it's hopeless.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on this orange and maroon cut crease eye makeup look. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. I'm using this maroon eyeshadow from Europe Girl Paris palette. Link to this palette is in the description box below along with other products. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using Sigma E33 brush. After you cover your outer V, move towards crease. Pack the same on your half crease, remaining crease. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion for smokiness. Next, I'm using this black eyeshadow to intensify my outer V and crease eyeshadow both. Intensity on outer V should be greater than crease. Move it towards the crease now slowly. Blend it with the crease eyeshadow also. Move the brush back and forth here. I'm intensifying further on my outer V. Next, I'm creating half cut crease. Be patient here when you're cutting your crease line. After you cut your crease line, begin cleaning. I'm using Hillary Rhoda concealer. To blend concealer with outer V eyeshadow, push concealer towards outer V. After this, I'm using this shimmery eyeshadow, orange shimmery eyeshadow on my eye mid. I have seen maroon and orange combined colored silk saree which gave thought to this eye look. I thought of creating maroon and orange eyeshadow look. Push shimmery eyeshadow towards outer V eyeshadow and outer V eyeshadow towards shimmery eyeshadow. Merge both the eyeshadows well. Next, I'm using the shimmery eyeshadow here. The remaining space be covered using white shimmery eyeshadow. Push it towards orange shimmery eyeshadow to blend it with orange shimmery eyeshadow. Next, I'm highlighting my crease line using liquid eyeshadow. I'm using liquid eyeliner brush. To get this quickly done, easily done, hack is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the brush and begin applying on your crease line to highlight your crease line. Place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the brush. Clear excess below and begin applying on your crease line. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner. After you create winged eyeliner, next create immediately pointed inner corner. Don't coat kajal on waterline and then create pointed inner corner because you'll have to get the eyeliner back when you have it once in hand. Finish eyeliner and pointed inner corner at one go and then proceed towards kajal application. I'm using kajal from Color Bar. I would be using these both eyeshadows. First, I'm packing orange here on my lower lash line. Next, I'm using the next dark first eyeshadow applied on top of orange. Next, I'm highlighting my pointed inner corner using liquid eyeshadow. Now I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes while applying mascara. and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look created, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Thanks for your time. Take care and bye.